How to fix Snapchat support code SS06 error. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up settings. Inside settings, you simply want to go ahead and simply tap on apps. Inside apps, search for Snapchat and then tap onto it. Inside here, make sure location access is enabled while using the app. Also turn on precise location. This helps Snapchat recognize that you're logging in from your normal location instead of somewhere suspicious. After that, head back to settings and then simply tap on General. Inside here, scroll below, then tap on VPN and Device Management. If you're using a VPN, turn off completely. Using a VPN can make Snapchat think someone else is trying to access your account from another country or location. Now, switch to your regular connection. If you're on mobile data, try Wi-Fi, and if you're on Wi-Fi, you can try mobile data instead. After that, reopen Snapchat and try logging in again. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.